Hey guys, Josh Eng here again. Today's video is about how to make money giving away free stuff. I know it sounds crazy, but then it's true. So let's dive in.
Create a single part of this if you don't want to. So, I want to welcome everybody. Just check in. Let me know you can hear me. A per freebie taker, and it's not what you're thinking right now. It's not something that you've seen before, unless you happen to have seen the one time we did this presentation before. We're going to show you to set up a side hustle or a full-time business, your choice. Spend as little or as much time as you want to, but you can create thousands of dollars a month in profit without doing anything hard like you thought you had to, like fortune, giving it away for free, and how you can easily copy exactly what we're doing so you can be earning hundreds of dollars even later today. Now, we've made this so simple in the way we're going to show you that you could actually get started without a website, an email list, a product, talking to anyone, selling to anyone, tech skills, past experience, having to pay for ads, any of that kind of stuff. So are you guys interested in a simple system that lets you just give away stuff that people want and will help them and they'll be thankful for and get paid $500 to $1,000 a day working from anywhere in the world, and to a lifetime of people buying from you repeatedly, but your starting point is so much better than, hey, buy the software. We got a book, buy this. Right? Don't want to be the carnival bark. So what a really good promo sequence looks like is this. You give something of tremendous value away for free. Again, we love software. That gives you huge conversions on the front end. In fact, when we've tested it, said, hey, get this free report versus get this free software. Software is like double the conversion rate. Gets more traffic, more response, and double the conversion rate where people get there. Then you want to have upsells. It's okay, we started out, we're going to give them the software, but then they're going to see sales offers. We're going to show them different products, some high point, some recurring, some low point, because we wanted to make sales. And day one, when people are visiting us, we of course want to try to get some money from them. We use trials. Trial offers are great, where you let somebody try something for free and they only buy if they decide to stay. All right. And that can be really powerful. But that's the beginning, right? Day one, we said, hey, get this free software. They come in, they start this funnel. But then we have several other software products and funnels that we follow up on. They all have their own upsells, and we promote them on the back end, right? Clearly, number 3 is better, right? I mean, people come in, they got free stuff, and you're like, hey, try this out, I'll give you money. Right? I mean, this sounds insane. I'll explain to you why it works and how it works in a minute, because you're like, this can't possibly be true, somebody said. But it is true. First of all, you can see why it works, right? You get free software for opting in. You get a free trial into some other relevant software. They still get the free software. It's not like we say get free software and then we take it away. It's like the trick. No. It's free. We're very transparent and open in what we do, and they get it. They get the free trial of the software. We'll pay them to use it for free. Free trials and try stuff out. Okay? How many of you signed up for a free trial for anything and you just never got around to starting to use it? Okay? Put a 7 in the chat box. If you got a free trial to something and you never got around to using it, okay, and the box is filling up with 7s because we've all done this, right? We try stuff out. We don't get started. Okay? And if you don't get started, do you stay and pay? Obviously not, no, right? You're like, hey, I'm not using this, I don't need it, I'm gonna leave, okay? So, we want people to try it out, and we want them to engage. So, what if we flip this around and we're like, hey, listen, try out this software, it's free, we even pay you to connect it up, start using it. Because if they engage with the product, they find out how good it is, it works like we said it does, they're way more likely to stay and pay and become long-term customers and pay us every month for many, many years to come. Software that people really, really want, give it away free. Number 2, create software as a service, a SaaS, that people can try for free. Then you pay people to start using it, because then they'll engage, then they'll be using it, then they're going to be like, hey, I'm using this, I don't want to turn it off, I don't want to take away the value and the benefit of this. You have to do that immediately after someone grabs the first free software. So they grab that software, first thing you see is, hey, how'd you like to get paid to try out some other cool software? And obviously we explain the whole thing in the trial and everything's disclosed. It's very clear. And then We're going to make additional upsell offers. We're going to make back-end offers. We're going to follow up with them. We're going to sell other related products and services. Maybe they didn't want that software. Maybe they did. They want some other stuff. Maybe they need help with SEO. Maybe they need software for managing Facebook ads. Maybe they need something for social media, right? Lots of different stuff in this market. And then we're going to follow up daily and weekly for several months for all the products, related affiliate products. We don't have something. If somebody else has something, we can follow up for that. Send email promos, retargeting ads, training videos, etc. We're going to make even more sales to this audience. But it all starts with, here's something people really, really, really want. And everything else flows from that. And it changes everything. So you see the list of the 4 prompts. And number 4, like I said, number 3, you don't have a sales funnel follow-up system. Once you do, you have a funnel. All you got to do is feed the funnel. Number 4, don't feed it wrong, feed it the right way. Draw people into the funnel in droves, where they're coming in and saying, this is awesome, I love this, can't wait, excited, getting value, you're helping me out, thank you. All right, problem number 5. Well, coming up a second. All right, just before we go further, do you guys understand why you're struggling to make money and what you need to change? Put a yes in the chat box if you're starting to understand. It's $398 to $19,880 a year, almost $20,000 a year from a single referral. And we will do all the selling, all the follow-up, all the surface. You just give away the software. We will do all of that hard, complicated part. Just imagine the results if you could give away the software to a bunch of people, and we'll show you how. So, would you like to have us handle all the hard parts of the business as your partner, but you just focus on giving away the software for free? Very simple question. What if you could shortcut all these things that are holding you back? All the stuff that you can't make work, and the websites you can't build, and the products that you can't sell, and everything else. You could just give away the software. Remember we talked about how do you make $1,000? What's the easiest way? The easiest way is to refer someone and get paid $1,000. Not to have to sell, not to have to create the product, not to have to be the expert, not to have to do anything. You just refer them, boom, your work is done. Pretty good gig, huh? So what will you do with your share of the money? Gregory designed this to give you an amazing shortcut straight to being almost instantly in business with world-class products you can promote and be paid very well for. Our mission is to empower small and medium-sized businesses around the world to reach their optimum level of success by helping them to acquire all the traffic, leads, and sales they need. So when you're joining with us, this is your mission. You can be proud and you know, I know you've probably seen a lot of different opportunities and things you've been, become aware of, and people have said, hey, you should join us and everything else. And this is something to be proud of. You're helping businesses to succeed. And here's how we're going to do it. We've got over 40 high-quality software products, services, training products. They help entrepreneurs generate more traffic, leads, and sales. Now, I told you there's more than 100 million businesses out there worldwide that are looking to promote, get more leads, get more sales. More businesses need our help are started every day. We can't possibly reach all of these ourselves. They can't possibly do that. Now, so we started looking around like, how can we expand? Well, we could, try to hire staff and do more marketing and do more all kinds of stuff. And, our entire company's virtual, work out of our houses. I am not going into an office. I haven't, since 1999, I have not had to go into an office and deal with people face to face and run the office. I've got my freedom of working from home, and I don't want to do that. Now, we looked at Apple. Apple obviously makes great products. They sell them directly. They have their own stores. They have their own websites. They sell billions of dollars, but they obviously make billions more in sales because they said, hey, we should let other people sell these too. And so other websites and other stores can sell those products and make money. So they don't limit their sales. They're like, hey, we can get other people to help us sell. We'll all make more money. So we said, hey, we're going to do the same thing. Now, Apple makes you go buy their stuff to resell it. We're not making you do that. We're going to let you get in way, way easier. I told you a story early on about how Brian and I became partners, right? Because Brian conceives and creates this great and amazing software, and he's good at marketing, but what I was not good at was creating software, but I was good at marketing and selling and building online systems and everything else that I've been talking about. When we partnered up, the synergy, the value that we brought to each other raised our level of success. Now, for some of you, you don't have all the skills you need to succeed, okay? Giving away free software. So what kind of results can you get? So we got some targeted free traffic. Obviously, depends upon your traffic source, where you're getting it from, but just to give you an idea. So we did a promotion for free traffic, 3,742 visitors, 44% of them opted in, became email leads that we have that we can follow up on to sell more stuff, whether it's our products, affiliate products, anything else. We build that list. Day one sales, $3,769. So immediate profit because we got free traffic, and we're going to show you how to get free traffic. Very important that you know how to do that. Show you how to do that. Show you the best ways to do that. Because some of you are already asking, how do I get people? I'm going to show you how to do that. That's not a problem. We're good at that. And of those people, we had a bunch of people who joined in recurring products. So they started paying us or got in trials to pay us money by doing this every month. So this is initial profit, and then monthly and annually we'll get more money. Right? Here's another promo. 2,585 people, again, very targeted traffic we got for free. 1,168 people got on the list. Again, I was telling you, get high conversions giving away software. Day one sales almost $12,000, and our profit $11,977 because the traffic was free. The recurring, a lot of people, 34 at 97, 8 at 49, 4 at 37 a month, over $3,000 a month in recurring revenue created from one promotion.
Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to click like, click share, and also click subscribe. Thank you.